right, we know the ingredients. There's the bread. Okay, not a lot of butter. Just scrape it down if it seems like it's too much, but we got a little extra on the knife. We're just gonna keep scraping it. There we go. Half a cup. 2 teaspoons. A little bit more. 2. Mix, mix, mix. The stove, which we should have done that first. On broil. Make sure the rack is on the top. Now, I'm gonna shake, shake. Get a good bit on there. Just takes a good bit. Okay, now I'm gonna mush it. That's a lot. Mush it in there. All right, now. A little bit more, sprinkle, sprinkle. Okay, in the oven. And it goes. Starting to sizzle and smoke. Not ready yet. It's really starting to take it out. It's resting. All right, we're gonna pick it up and set it on the side. Get some air in there under it. It's nice and glassy. Flip it on the other side. Get some, let it dry and cool. Okay, it looks dark because I had more cinnamon in the sugar this time, but that's what you want it to look like right there. Or be like, I should say. And it's got a crunchy, see? That's what it is. There you go.